Hi everyone, especially to all the Star Wars fans. Today I'm going to bring to you this. This is a Star Wars miniature figure. It's produced by the Banpresto. And basically this is, I already came out in the market after some time, but I just keep it. As a lot of people know, I kind of Star Wars fans, but not that hardcore type, I would say. But I like this because it looks a bit cute. And this series actually came from the Rogue One series, movie series. They come with 5 characters in the whole complete set. The price range in Malaysia is around 100 ringgit, around that price. So it's considered like you will get a 20 ringgit for each figure, but most of the time, most of the shop they sell in a set of 5. So as you can see from here, there are 5 different figures over here. The first one is the Death Trooper Specialist, and you have a Shoretropper, you have a Jyn Erso, you have a director Orson, and you have the Chirrut Imwe. So basically this 5 figure is the one that will appear in the movie. So without further ado, let's open it. Go further with you can see that they already showcased that there are 5 different figures over here. This is considered as a World Collectable figure volume 2. Death Trooper Specialist. This is the figure that I'm going to open now. So let's look at it now. But the design and the paint job and all the sculpt, I would say that it's not that cheapskate, I would say. Because last time I used to collect this kind of series before, but not in the Star Wars, in One Piece series, so I did have that. As you can see from here, the figure, let me show it to you now. So you can see the paint job overall is not that bad, although it's not considered as a high range figure, but as you can see, the detailing is all there. But of course, you can't expect much on the coloring wise, because this character, as you know, is fully black in color. But this is very nice. As you can see, even the eye, you paint it with a different green color, and you can see from the body also. And the way you're holding the gun actually is kind of stylish, as you can see from here. And for the base wise, you can see that there's a sculpt in, it's not printing, it's a sculpting in Star Wars. I would say this is very detailing collectible items, and it only costs you 20 ringgit for it. So I would say that it's a good deal for the Red Lucasfilm 2017 China. Yeah, 2017, because that's where the movie Rogue One came out. Okay, as you can see, the base design basically is exactly the same. I would say that every figure, I would say that maybe they will have the same base design. So the only difference is the figure. So once you fix the figure on it, so not that difficult to do. And as you can see, the detailing is all there. It's a very small figure, but it still have the most of the detailing that you need. Then of course, for those hardcore Star Wars fans, maybe you can do some paint job, they do some weathering on it. It will look nicer and more realistic. Compared with now, the paint job is a bit bored and dull, I would say, because it's just a mono color. So if you do some weathering and some of the highlight on it, I would say that it will look nicer. And again, you can see that it's quite realistic and nice. For this kind of size, I think kind of good, and especially this type of figure, they make it such a way that the helmet, the head is actually a bit bigger ratio compared with the body. So although it looks fierce, but at the same time it looks cute as well. Alright, let's go to the second one. You go. As you can see, the detailing is not that bad for this miniature figure. Especially when I look at one figure, I will always observe the eye. whether the eye look real and whether the eye is really looking at you. You can see that it's not that bad, right? It's not that bad. And in terms of body wise, same thing. I would say that the coloring is a bit dull, yeah, that's for sure. But for this kind of price range, you can't complain about it lah. You can't complain about it. But of course, for those hardcore fans, please do some weathering and coloring on it. It will make more nicer like the whole figure. For this kind of price range, as I said, you can't complain about it. But I will see very nice. The only thing that it doesn't come with any articulation, but it's good also because I don't like any kind of human character with the articulate, because you can see the joint crack, whether it doesn't look nice. So this is good for display. Alright, I kind of like it. Now we look at it now. Not bad, right? At this kind of price, I would say fantastic job. Again, the same thing lah, the color, the hair. But in terms of overall sculpt, I would say it's kind of good. Okay, let me show you. Nice, right? Okay, but it can look a bit toy. Not bad. Right. Okay. Okay, there's some kind of shape over here. I don't know whether you can see that. I can fix into this hole. This is how it should supposed to be. Okay, it is. Okay, and then fix it into the base. Alright. Well, this is good, especially the eye. The iris is blue, and the way it painted is kind of realistic also. And about the crossbow, as you can see, the gold color of the crossbow really look nice. It's not yellowish. It's a gold. Really is a gold. And you can see that when I go closer to it, it looks so real. For this kind of price range, I can't expect this kind of a workshop from the Banpresto. Of course, it's from the Bandai as well. So I would say this is overall is kind of good and nice. So for all the Star Wars fans, please do not miss a chance to collect this set, please. I think you should able to find it in the market, although it's already came out after some time. I just should able to find it. Alright, so that's what we have for today, all these 5 figures. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy our video today. Thank you very much for watching. So please do subscribe our channel and make sure you turn on the bell so that you will get a notification once we have a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much for viewing. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.